Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring. This vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the mobile office package, black appearance package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a backup camera, rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, side view camera, got a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system with tons of door space in the back. We got cup holders, heated back seats, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt. You can collapse that for additional cup holders and arm space, and a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, power folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, upgraded B&O sound system, tailgate, lights, spotlights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 84 kilometers. We got this nice leather wrapped steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Taking a look here, we got a digital speedometer. We have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, that's collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here, outlets, wireless charging, and this does close. Your center console, that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food, laptop, whatever you like. You got your normal storage below. We got our drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, dual climate with heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, and on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, auto stop auto start, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving, hazard distractions, 360 view with different camera angles. We have our audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, phone controls, navigation, search, recent save, little red dot showing where your vehicle's been, fave apps such as messaging and email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is Fa74444. Okay, let me try that again. Fa74744. And you can head on a PG Ford or give us a call.